Hi, my name's Tom, and I wanted to show off this beautiful clutch purse that my wife picked up from Amazon. She is going to go ahead and go to a wedding soon. It's a black purse. It's a black velvet. You can see it has the pleats on both sides, so that's very nice. It does have the silver top. Those are metal. Those are not plastic. I'm going to go ahead and open it up here. In the middle, there's kind of a magnetic little snap there, and then it opens. And I want to show you a couple quick things here. One, it does have a chain. The chain's fairly long, about 6 foot, and it's nice and long, so you can kind of shorten that if you want to. But you can see the chain. This is one of those chains that does not get caught in your hair because it has the wider loops. I don't know if you can see that. I'll put that against the black. It has the wider loops, so it does not get caught in your hair. My wife has long hair, so she's really going to like that. It does. You don't have to use the chain if you want to. You can put it in. You can also go ahead and detach it on there. They have little like little thumb detachments. They just come right off. On the inside of the clutch itself, it is all also black velvet. There is an interior pocket as well. There's no zipper or latch on that, but it is an interior pocket. So if you want to keep like your phone or some IDs in there, and then keep the rest of your items here, that's fine. It does open up fairly deeply. It's a nice big clutch, but it's not so big that it's a purse. It does look very nice. Again, you can see the stitching. It's a nice quality uh, clutch or a purse. It goes great with black, or if you are accenting with black and you have a colorful dress, that's fine too. It's one of those things where you can just kind of carry it in your hand, go. You can put your phone in here, you can put makeup, you can kind of carry your money, have everything in here one-handed. It's not so small that things will fall out and not fit, but it's also not so big that it's actually a purse. It's a nice little handheld thing. I just want you to see it. So yeah, I highly recommend this. My wife is very excited about going to the wedding, and she's very excited because she's been looking for a simple black clutch like this for a while, and she finally found one on Amazon. So yeah, highly recommended.